What's up, y'all? It's your girl Michaela Nicole, and today I'm back with a brand new video. Today I'm gonna be showing y'all how I install my Lacefront wig. First step, this kind of gonna be like a tutorial, I guess. So first step, I don't want to show y'all my braids because I just did these so fast, and they all ugly. Okay. Now I'm gonna put my bonnet back on, but first step is braid down your hair. Okay, next you're gonna be putting this cap on your head. Oh, so now I'm gonna be using this Gots to Be glue spray blow dryer. What the heck did I forget to do? Can't find the other scissors, but you gonna cut. Oh, there we go. I got this this eyebrow razor, and now I'm gonna just do that, but like. Okay, so I just wanted to show y'all the wig on this 18-inch wig. What lace? But yeah, put on 3 layers of this It Is Even Wonder lace bond glue. This is some work. I'm finna lay this down for a minute. I don't have the black strips right now, so I ain't buying none, because I forgot to buy some more. I will get right back to y'all in a second though. Be right back. So I'm finally done, and it look good. Lace. Say no. Anyways, this is the end of the video. I hope y'all learned some stuff. I don't know. I hope y'all got an idea of how people be doing this. But yeah, it's not that hard. I learned from YouTube, so. But yeah, that's the end of this video. Thank you for watching. Make sure you hit the bell so you get notified when I post, because I got a good video coming out next. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video, and make sure you comment some ideas of more videos you want me to do. Bye, y'all.